It is time to put the calf away. We just got back from an auction. We got lots of wood and a big dog house for the goats. It's time to go away. Wrong way. It's time to go in your pen. Come on. Good girl. This needs to be thrown away. How am I supposed to put you guys away? Heading back down because I almost forgot to give Ginger her alfalfa. She knows it too. Alright, here's all our alfalfa. And she drank all her water, of course.